Hello everyone, welcome back to Mima Benz. Thank you for watching. So for today I want to investigate about my first experience of the transmission reset. So today is my first time because I watched it from YouTube. So they mentioned that once we reset the transmission, it make it better of transmission shifting and make it driving better. That is first point. The second point is that it will be reset the record of history based on the previous owner. So let's try. Let's open again the car. Okay, I will turn off. Okay. All right, first thing what we do, just click the start button 1 and 2 times until it's showing all the symbol like in the screen. Next, press the accelerator pedal fully, the accelerator pedal without clicking the brake, without the starting the car. Just press the accelerator for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, after 15 seconds, turn in off back. Alright, that's all, and release your foot. So after that, without do anything, please wait just for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so during we are waiting, so actually why I am try to investigate this situation, because I want to make it the car factory reset, and then also I want to make the car is better of driving performance, and I would like to clear all the history of the driving behavior of the previous owner. So I would like to this car recording my driving behavior, you know. So I think that is important to make the car better and based on our driving. Alright, I think we should try to start it on the car. Okay, next, just start normally, like, okay, normally. Okay, and then, okay, the car is still okay. Just click the button. Alright. As you know, we have 2 methods for transmission reset. The first one, by resetting same as what we're doing today. And the second method is by using the OBD2 scanner device. So it will be connected on the lower at the driver foot area, and then you click reset. But I never done that before, so I tried the first method first. Okay, let's try to drive it, and I hope they can record my driving behavior. Okay, let's go. Alright, based on my reading, it mentioned that once we start the car and drive it, and it need a few minutes to analyze how we're driving, how this car analyze and diagnose our driving behavior. So they read how we drive, and then I think they can just record it into this car. Okay, just turn it off, everything. Yeah, I think they just reset everything. I think so, because I saw they have just pops up some symbol like the eco start stop button there, but I'm not sure it's related or not. But in kind of driving, it not so big different from previously, because maybe my driving car is it's good flow and smooth. So I believe that based on this driving feeling, after we transmission reset, I can feel like the car is not big jump different than before. Maybe once we done the first method, next time we should try for the second method. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you guys have a nice day. Enjoy your day and stay tuned for my next episodes. Thank you very much.